Alright guys, I know it's kind of hard to see in front of me just because of the lighting, but bear with me. I'm going to talk about some things I don't like about the Stillen Supercharger kit. I'm just going to go over them real quickly just so you guys learn from my mistake. If I could go back, I would not have bought the Stillen Supercharger kit like this. I would have gotten the Soho air-to-air kit. They also have the air-to-air kit with the Stillen Supercharger, everything you need for $6,000. So I think it's actually cheaper than buying the Stillen Supercharger itself. But the reason I got this kit is because it was I only paid $4,500 for the kit, but I paid $200 also for the transmission cooler, so $4,700 for the full brand new Stillen Supercharger kit. That's why I got mine. Plus I was able to finance the kit. First thing I don't like about this kit, silicone coupler. It will cut boost sometimes. I never know when it cuts boost because I don't have a boost gauge. Every time I floor it, either cut boost or it'll do boost perfectly. So the car's tuned for 7 pounds of boost, but I'm pretty sure like 95% of the time it's on 6 pounds. So I don't even know how much it's really making. On 7 pounds of boost, it made 370 wheel horsepower. So on 6 pounds of boost, I don't even know how much it's making. It might be making like 350 wheel or 355 wheel. So I'm not entirely sure. The second thing I don't like, the intercooler. I'll put it up on the screen. You guys can see that intercooler is so small. Silicone coupler, you see that, guys? I can just push on it, yep, or I can push down on that, and that's on the supercharger. You can imagine whenever the boost kicks in, just psh, so sometimes it'll suck in and this will kind of collapse on itself. So most of the time it's on 6 pounds of boost. So I'm probably making less than 370 wheel. I don't even know. 370 wheels on 7 pounds of boost. So, and if this is bothering anyone, there you go. Just in case if I was bothering anyone. So that's complaint number one, the silicone coupler. You see how tiny that intercooler is? That's it. That's all I got. And then you got all this. Got the filter in the way. There's the oil cooler. But still, it's so tiny. So like this thing gets stupid hot. So I do one pull and it's heat soaked. So it'll still pull, but it's heat soaked. So the air-to-air kit will fix that though. The whole front will just be that giant intercooler. I'll put it on the screen. So just a little walk around of the car. Hopefully in October the air-to-air kit will be here. I ordered it last month in July on like the 15th, or if not the 16th. So ordered it, waiting for it. Eventually we're gonna put a tow may on this thing and some long tube headers. For any people that are new to the channel that don't know what's done to my car, is literally just test pipes, catback, Stillen Supercharger on 6 pounds of boost. Don't know the horsepower. On 7 pounds it made like 370 wheel, like a little bit above that, like 371, something like that. But on 6 pounds, I don't know what it's making. So I don't know. When the air-to-air kit comes in, I already have the smaller pulley, which I'll show you guys. I already have the smaller pulley for the car, and then I'll have long tube headers put on it. And that'll give us some big top end, and hopefully we'll be on 11 pounds of boost on 93 octane. On 93 octane, I'm hoping to be at like 530-ish wheel horsepower. I think that's a realistic goal. If not, I'm hoping 550 wheel, but I'll be happy at 530. And then E85 will easily be at, or we should be at 600 wheel, depending on how healthy the car is. That's the current status on the car, guys. Those are the things that I hate about the Stillen Supercharger. How it comes, the silicone coupler, heat soaking issue because the intercooler for the air to water, and the intercooler is just way too tiny. And then also, this doesn't apply to me, but the stock Stillen tune that comes with this car is just garbage. It is straight up just garbage. Luckily, I'm tuned by Admintuning. You guys know that. I'm tuned on EcuTech and speed density. I think that's what it was. I know it's EcuTech, but it's also speed density. The plans for the car is a smaller pulley, long tube headers, and the Soho air-to-air kit will go on, and hopefully we'll be at like 530 wheel horsepower on 11 pounds of boost. So we'll see how it does. I figured I'd give you guys my take on the Stillen Supercharger. I've had it on for about 10,000 miles now. I've had no issues with it, no belt slippage or anything other than when we first tuned it, but we fixed that when we got home. So other than that, no belt slippage. Everything's been pretty reliable on it so far. So, but also I don't push the car that hard. What you guys see whenever the car's in Mexico and it's running people, that's like literally the only time the car is getting pushed. Other than that, it is just driven on eco mode and is just driven straight to work, back home. So gotta take care of it, best of both worlds. We're trying to keep it reliable and I just don't abuse it. I hope this video kind of helps you guys understand about the Stillen Supercharger kit, because there's not too many Stillen Supercharged 370Zs really, or people with the stock one. So I highly recommend you get the Soho kit. I'll put a link in it down below, or like a card going across the screen. And the Soho air-to-air kit is $6,000, and it already comes with the air-to-air intercooler, and you don't have any of these issues that I'm having. You'd be running on the stock Stillen kit, you'd be on 9 pounds of boost, and you'd be in the 500s, if not high 400s on the stock 9 pounds of boost on the stock Stillen pulley, and the Soho air-to-air kit on 93. So plenty of power right out of the gate. And then if you're paying like $5,000 for this, if not more, I can't remember exactly how much it is, it's just not worth it. It's just garbage. Another channel did the stock Stillen Supercharger on a stock 370Z, and it put down like 350 wheel or something like that, 330 something. So stock Stillen Supercharger kit it has its issues. It just needs to be upgraded. But other than that, guys, I recommend the Soho air-to-air kit. And you guys will see once I get it why I switched to it. But as far as reliability, which is why I wanted this kit too, it is very reliable and it's not that hard on the motor. It's also like 100% carb free, or carbon. It'll pass California emission laws. I know that. It's been a good, safe 10,000 miles with some Mexico every now and then, but never really pushing the car too hard and daily driving it. So I've had no issues. I hope this video kind of helped you guys out, made you feel better about boosting your 370Z, especially since mine's an automatic. I also have a transmission cooler on it to help it out. But the key is you just gotta take care of it. You just gotta take care of the car. So you just gotta know the car's limits. I really don't push it that much. People think I beat the crap out of the car. I really don't. It really doesn't get pushed that hard. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.